have been bent watching a lot of tutorials, setting tutorials, reviews upon reviews on this particular camera. Team Fullest, this is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So in today's video, I'm super excited for this video because I have been bent watching a lot of tutorials, setting tutorials, reviews upon reviews on this particular camera. I love it. So I have been wanting to get a vlog camera for a very long time because most of the time I use my phone to vlog, and my phone really don't have a lot of storage, you know. And so I'm like, you know what, I wanted to get a vlog camera. I have the Sony 6400. That camera is a really expensive one, and I have two lenses. I have the kit lens, and I have the lens that gives you the blurry background. So the kit lens is what I normally film with when I want everything at the background to show, and the one that gives you that blurry background, I love using that when I'm filming makeup tutorials, because then I want the focus to be on the face, not all the attention at the background. So but that camera is a little bit too heavy to be going around and filming with, because I have like a large memory card, but it's heavy to film. So I've been wanting to get the Sony vlogging camera. This is the vlogging camera ZV-1F. I have been wanting to get this camera for the longest time. I've seen a lot of tutorials, a lot of reviews, a lot. Finally, I decided to pick it up for the new year, because this new year, 2024, I really want to be consistent with my videos. I want to push myself. I want to push myself beyond my limits, because you actually don't know what your limit is except when you push yourself, you know. And I really want to push myself, because I know when I put in more work into my videos, I get results, I see results, and I'm really grateful for that. So I end up picking this vlogging camera, and I also end up picking some memory card, because I'm like, I want to start using it immediately. I am not a tech girl. I also have to later on, after unboxing this, I have to go and sit down and watch all those tech videos on how to set it. But what I have learned so far, it's quite a simple camera to work with compared to the Sony 6400. It's quite a simple one. That one is a little bit intense, but this one is quite a simple one. I've seen a lot of people talk about it, so I'm super excited. Let's get to the unboxing. How much I purchased this camera? I think it was around 600 something. I'll put the price here. Around 600 something, 600 euros or something like that. It's not really that expensive. It's quite an affordable camera, and for the quality that I've seen people talk about, so I'm really excited. So this is the camera. I didn't get the camera stick, but because I already have something where I normally put my phone when I'm ready to vlog, so I didn't feel like it was necessary. But later down the line, if it becomes necessary, I will end up getting it. So this is what it looks like. So let's unbox it. Let's get it out of the box. Yes, this is it. It's so beautiful. I'm in love. I'm in love. Like, I'm so excited. I'm really grateful. I'm really nervous at the same time. So this is what it looks like. You have all the information papers. You know, they always say read the menu of the manufacturer. Read the menu that the manufacturer gave you. But for no reason, we never really read the menu. We never really read it. We read it when it has gone, when the complication has happened. That's the time we read this one. So yeah, I'm part of it. So when you open, let me get everything first out. First of all, you get, oh yeah, this is the one for the noise, this thing at the top, to get the noise, like if you are filming outside. Oh, this is the camera. Oh my god, one thing I love about this camera, one thing that actually make me really excited to get it, is this part. For the fact that you can see yourself vlogging, I love this. Is what actually made me to get this camera. It's so beautiful, and it can rotate like this, it can rotate like this. This is so amazing. I really loved it. And of course, this one had like a really simple button. There's no much to it. There's no much to the buttons. They're really simple. I love it. And I love the fact that this one has a different charger. Like the charger is just the same like the kids tablets. You can put an external microphone if you want, add a Mi cable if you want to connect it to your monitor. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So there's the camera, and I'll show you guys this. What else? The charger and the battery. So this is the battery, this is the charger. For now I only have one battery, but definitely I'm going to pick up another battery because I want to have a backup. So let's, am I doing this right? Let's fix, it's not right. I'm going to pick up another battery just for a backup, and this is the memory card. Let me open the memory card as well. This is the memory card I got. I make sure I got a really large space so that I can film multiple videos, and when I'm ready to edit, it's just sit down and edit. So yeah, don't play me like this, memory card. How do you? Okay. So you put the memory card. Let's see. Let me fix this thing first. Okay, it goes like this. You can either fix this thing on the top, or you can also remove it and fix your microphone. If you have this microphone that needs to be on top, you can also do that. Let me turn it on. Ooh! Oh, I have to remove. I haven't gone through any of the settings. Let's just wait. Let me just skip every single thing first for now. Let me just skip everything first, and let's just go to normal. Oh my god, this is what it's looking like. It's so beautiful. I love it, guys. Can you guys? This is what it looks like. It's amazing. I love it. I have to go through and kind of like, now I'm looking very pale. I have to adjust the color and everything. I can't really see good because I don't have my glasses on. So I have to really sit down and really go through this camera, really go through the setting and everything. Now I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see. I can't really see a lot, but it looks kind of simple, you know, and it's the focus. Ooh, it focused so quickly. The focusing is something else. Wow, I'm super excited. This is just a quick unboxing. Like I said, I'm not a tech girl. I just want to come and unbox it and show you guys, and then I'll definitely come back and do a quick video on it and show you how it looks like filming on it. But for now, I have to go and sit down and go through all the settings, go through everything and see how everything works. I'm super excited. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. If you have used this camera before, please let me know in the comment box. Look, your girl is excited because I have bench watched a lot of tutorials, a lot of unboxing videos on this camera. I have watched a lot, and I'm super excited to get it. And this camera, I think this camera is even more smaller than the iPhone. The iPhone is even bigger than this, and it's it's too light. The camera is too light. The batteries, everything is in. The camera is just too light. You can fit this into any of your handbag. You know, I always have those tiny handbags that even nothing can enter. I can actually put this in my handbag and go and do my vlogging with me. The only problem with me when it comes to vlog, my videos is all about my life. I don't bring other people's into my videos. Whenever I'm outside at an event, at a party, I don't know, I'm always looking for somebody to give my phone. My friends will be like, why can't you hold your phone by yourself? I'm always looking for someone to give my phone because I'm someone, when I'm out and I'm out somewhere, I love to be in the presence. I love to enjoy the moments. I don't want to be always on my phone taking pictures or doing stuff. So reasons why when I'm out, I barely take pictures. Sometimes my friends will send me pictures, be like, oh, this is the picture I take of your outfit. I like to take my pictures before ever I leave the house, so that when I am at that event, any event I am in, I'm always looking for someone to hold my phone, so hold my bag, so I can just enjoy, interact with people and have fun. Reasons why when I go out, I barely have pictures. When I'm out. Sometimes my friends will be like, okay, let's take pictures, enjoy the moment. Reasons why I barely take pictures when I'm out, but I feel like this is going to be so nice. Like when I'm just doing my own stuff outside, I can vlog this, I can show how I'm doing things. I'm just so excited, and I'm super grateful. So I just want to come and do a quick unboxing. Team Fullest, I want to say thank you guys so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you all on my next video. Team Fullest, peace out. Bye. Doeg.